This account's pretty cool. It was one of the first 5 accounts I called on.
Pro diesel?
7 years ago. I make sure that we do what we say we're going to do in regards to the service side of the business, and we always focus around being the most responsive. I like when we can go into a place that gets a service, a current service from one of our competitors, and convince them that there's a better way of doing things and a different way of doing things in regards to their needs. So going into a place that's never met you before, building some type of a relationship and doing a good enough job in the sales process that you convince them that you're a better option, and then we actually do what we say we were going to do in the sales presentation to the point that we exceed their expectations. And then they recommend you to other people. That's probably my most favorite part of the whole thing is